This isn't a 1959 Impala anymore. It's a 620 horsepower luxury street monster hiding behind classic tailfins. The world remembers the 1959 Chevrolet Impala as a symbol of chrome, tailfins, and pure American swagger. But what you are looking at now is something far beyond nostalgia. This is a machine that kept its soul, but evolved into something ruthless beneath the beauty. A classic reborn not to relive history, but to rewrite it. At first glance, it still carries that unmistakable silhouette. The long body, the sweeping chrome, the iconic rear fins that made the late 50s unforgettable. But the moment it fires up, everything changes. That deep, thunderous idol doesn't belong to the past. It belongs to a modern street predator. Under the hood sits a GM 572 cubic inch V8 crate engine, a pure displacement monster producing over 620 horsepower. There is no hesitation in its nature, no soft edges in its personality. It's controlled aggression, engineered for one purpose: instant dominance. The Holley 4150 4-barrel carburetor feeds it with old-school mechanical honesty, while the serpentine belt system keeps everything tight, clean, and reliable. It's vintage character blended with modern discipline. Power is sent through a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission, built to handle massive torque while still offering highway cruising comfort. Behind it, a Ford 9-inch rear end puts every ounce of that power down with confidence. This isn't just a classic that moves, it launches, it pulls, it commands the road, and when you hear it shift, doesn't feel like a car from 1959 anymore. It feels like something that escaped time entirely. The stance alone tells its own story. Billet Specialties wheels sit perfectly under the body, giving it a refined but aggressive presence. Up front, 225/50 R17 tires sharpen the steering response, while the wider 255/45 ZR20 rear setup plants the car with authority. It doesn't float like a cruiser, it sits ready, like it's waiting for the signal to move. But the real transformation happens underneath. This Impala rides on a fully modernized chassis setup built for control, not compromise. Baer 6-piston calipers, grip, drilled, and slotted rotors at all 4 corners, delivering stopping power that belongs in a modern performance car. Stainless braided lines keep the braking feel precise and consistent, even under pressure. The suspension is where tradition completely gives way to innovation. A Ridetech Air Ride system replaces the old philosophy of comfort with something far more advanced: adjustable attitude. Independent front suspension paired with a 3-link rear setup gives this classic a level of handling no 1950s engineer ever imagined. Ridetech strong-arm tubular control arms keep everything tight and responsive, while the air system allows it to drop low for show or rise for drive. This is not restoration. This is reinvention. Now, step outside and take in the body again. Gloss black paint reflects everything around it like liquid glass. Chrome accents trace the edges with a bright contrast that reminds you of its golden era. Subtle red pinstriping runs through the design like a quiet warning. This car has elegance, but it also has attitude. And those tail fins, they still cut through the air like a signature from another decade. Untouched in spirit, but elevated in presence. It doesn't look restored. It looks perfected. Open the door, and the transformation becomes even more personal. Inside, the world turns red, deep, rich, and intentional. Fully custom red leather seats wrap around you like a tailored suit. Matching red carpeting and a suede headliner create a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a vintage car interior. Classic instruments gauges sit ahead, blending retro aesthetics with modern accuracy. A low-car shifter rises from the center like a mechanical sculpture, while HVAC controls and air ride management remind you that comfort here is fully engineered, not improvised. A polished steering wheel reflects light across the cabin, and even the trunk is finished, fully upholstered with clean closeout panels, extending the craftsmanship beyond what most would ever consider necessary. This is not just about driving. It's about experiencing a machine built without limits. Every detail of this build has intention. Every component replaces compromise with control, and every mile driven in it feels like a conversation between past and present. 1959 Chevrolet Impala is no longer just a classic car. It has become a 620 horsepower statement piece, priced at $220,900, built not for nostalgia, but for dominance. Because when this Impala moves down the road, it doesn't remind you of history, it makes history feel alive again.